Now, let's check naman yung Ginto giveaways. Click lang natin to and makikita mo dito ang entries. For this account, it is showing 10 entries because this is a basic account. For elite members, you'll get 100 entries per giveaway, and for royal members naman, you'll get 1,000 entries. And if you were referred by someone, your entries will be doubled every week during your first month as a member. Now, click naman natin tong upcoming. Dito mo makikita ang mga upcoming giveaways. Make sure to check the drop period so you know until when your entries are counted. And very important din na always read the mechanics carefully so you understand how the giveaway works. Now, let's check naman the Ginto giveaways. Click lang natin tong icon na to and dito natin makikita ang schedules ng upcoming live streams and giveaways. Kapag naman kinlik natin tong winners, makikita natin ang complete list of winners. And what's nice about this section is pwede rin nating balikan ng mga previous live streams and watch winners' testimonials anytime. For example, click natin yung isang winner. Click View Winner. And pwede nating makita ang full live stream kapag kinlik natin ang link na to. Pwede rin natin makita ang winner's testimonial kapag kinlik natin ang link na to.